Welcome in. Today you're going to learn all about the Bounce Triplet, also known as the Puguda. I'm going to teach you this exercise by Chino Hills, and it goes something like this. So the Bounce Triplet, the Puguda, is a simple rudiment. It consists of a right hand followed by two left hands, right? And what we're doing is we're bouncing the right hand, nice and loose. They're called legato strokes, full strokes all the way up here, and the lefts are nice and quiet, right? There's no rules on this. I could put the accent somewhere else. You could play it all quiet, but most often, and it sounds a bit like, guess what? Puguda, 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 Puguda. That's where the name comes from, also known as the Bounce Triplet. Right, you're going to also need to do that with your left hand. At the end of this lesson, I'm going to do the whole of that exercise, slow, medium and fast. Let's jump straight in on that first line, teach you that. We'll go one line at a time. We'll soon have you playing it. First line, we've got 1 and 2 and Bounce Triplet, Bounce Triplet, Bounce Triplet, Bounce Triplet. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. The right hands should be the same all the way through. So don't let your right hand change because you're doing the Bounce Triplets. That was the whole of that line. 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a right-handed release. We'll jump straight to the second line because it's basically the same thing off the left hand. The way that we switched hand is rather than going 1 and, we play the right hand first, 1 and 2 and. On drums, by now, hopefully through my lessons, you know that we've got full strokes. We've also got down strokes where we're stopping the stick. So the first right hand is actually a down stroke. We want to stop that stick. 1 and 2 and. We don't want to see this. 1 and 2 and. So down, full, full, full. Then the repeat bar goes. It stops a little earlier. So we get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and swap. 3 and 4 and swap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and switch hands 3 and 3. 1 and 2 and that's the whole of that first section, right? It's pretty easy. I think you'll pick that up nice and easy. This way gets a little bit more difficult because what we start to get now is we kind of get a reverse of that pattern, but we get something called Swiss triplets. Swiss triplets are going to be where we're going to play two rights and then a left. So a Swiss triplet is just this. The accent could be on the first note, first two notes. In this case, it's going on the final note. So if you think of a triplet, we're going, a triplet even, we're going 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now if you're marking time, the downbeat's still going to be on the ones, all right? This is a little bit difficult for people who haven't done this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what we've got is we've got 4 downbeats and 4 upbeats. So I'm going to call these upbeats. So we get down, 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 switch, up, 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 and back to the start again, all right? We've got Bounce Triplet, Bounce Triplet, Bounce Triplet, Bounce Triplet, Swiss Triplet, Swiss Triplet, Swiss Triplet, Swiss Triplet, 1. So the last one goes Swiss Triplet, 1, back to that first note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's do that together with a metronome. We're going to go nice and slow. Let's take it all the way down to, say, 80. Now, I've got an 8th note groove playing there, 1 and 2 and. So we're going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's a bit quicker there, it's so slow. That's 68, I think. 2, 63. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Trace it twice this time. Do I run it slower? Don't worry, just run it slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, loads and loads and loads of drum corps exercises. We've started with 4s, and guess what's going to happen now? We're going to drop that down to 2s. So when I get 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 downs, 2 ups. And we're going to play that one twice as well. So we get 1, 2, up, 2, down, 2, up, 2. Take a moment to figure that out. Down, 2, up, 2, down, 2, up, 2, down, 2, up, 2. Now the more times you do this, you'll start to hear it as a tune. Instead of thinking of rights and lefts and all that stuff, you're just going to do this. And that's how these guys are able to play it fast, because eventually you're just thinking of the tune. Rather than right, left, left, right, left, left, right, right, left. Okay? We're going to do this one twice. Let's do it again at 63 beats a minute. 3, 4. And the release. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then the final one, we're actually doing something called a 6-stroke roll, but we also could think of it as a down and an up, down, up, which gives you this. And we're going to play 4 lots of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the stop. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, bang. If you really want to count these, you'd have to say 1 triplet and triplet, 2 triplet and triplet, 3 triplet and triplet, 4 triplet and triplet, 1. All right, the counting is quite difficult. Just think hickory dickory, hickory dickory. Or just count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. Let's try that with a Met. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So the whole of that line, we're going to do the 2s of each one, then the 4s, or the 1s of each 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then we're on to the final section of the piece. We get this little thing that happens now quite often, where we get this pattern that goes right, right, rim shot, right. So it's going to be 4 right hands. And the third one's a rim shot. First one then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, well, that's a little bit different, isn't it? Because before it was, well, the left was always accented. The up was always accented. What we're doing here is we're doing one with an accent, then one which is quiet, and one with an accent, and one which is quiet. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All the rights are quiet. You just got to think about your left hand going up, down, up, down. So that bar repeats. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop, not. Messed that up. No, right. Next time we do the same kind of idea. We had 4s, we're going to start, we're jumping down to 2s now. There's a little bit of a change here, because we actually jumped down, not to 2s, but to 3s, because we're going to go 1, 2, 3, we're going to stop there, 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1. So some people would say we're playing 2 bounce triplets, 1, 2, then a 6-stroke roll like this. Some people might think of 3 bounce triplets, 1, 2, bounce triplet, but then playing an upbeat on the last one. 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, a 1 and 2, a 3 and 4. Now for you guys doing it, check that you're playing your taps nice and low, and not after this. We want difference. Big difference, right? Now this last bar is a nice interesting one, because what actually happens is we kind of split our bar up here. We've got, in eighth notes, we get 8 eighth notes to fit into a bar, right? So if I go 5 plus 3, let's use those fingers there at the end, that's our 8 eighth notes. Well, what normally happens is we count 2, 2, kind of 2 and 2, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And what's happening is we kind of grouped it into 3, 3 and 2 at the end. So it's kind of going like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, end. Now what they've done then is they've taken a pattern that then consists of 9 notes, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Can't say 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and 2 and 3 and then it starts again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So we do 2 lots of those, but then at the end we just go to end the track. So we'll try that with a Met. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Whole of that line. 3, 4. Oops. 3, 4. That was not right. Let's try again, Geoff. 2, 2, 3, 4. Hard this speed, remember that metronome. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more because I messed one of them up. Not that time though. It was good. 2, 3, 4. Right, let's do together the whole exercise real slow. It's quite difficult actually to play most of these exercises that I teach on this channel really slow, because there's almost like your hands need to go into autopilot. You need to know this exercise well enough that you don't have to think about it anymore. You can just sort of hear a tune as it comes. It's much easier to think of than right, 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 left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. Our brain's having to compute too much stuff. So make sure you've done enough reps of this that you can get from start to end without really having to concentrate on it. Otherwise, you're not going to keep up. Here we go. Okay, it's going to be hard at this tempo. I'll talk you through it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Switch to the other hand. It's the short one. Part 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 2s. 1, 2. Up. Repeat. 1, 2. Up. 1s. 1. Last section. Repeat. Halves. 3s. Now this one's going to be easier, I promise you, it's going to be easier once you can play it a little bit faster. So let's jump this up to say 85 maybe. Yeah, 1, 2. Again, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go up fast then. I think 110 is about fast enough, right? A little bit of squeeze to pull out those left hands. Again, last time. So, if you've made it this far and you can play it, congratulations, that is that exercise done, all right? If you're enjoying this, leave me some comments. I look forward to seeing you next lesson real soon. Thanks for watching.